Alright guys, so today on Allocated Prepper, I'm going to be going over my Ozark Trail folding saw. I'm going to cut a branch or a log, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll just go over it from there. I actually have it over to the side, so I'm going to flip the camera and do that so you guys can see it. But I really do like the saw. I've used it. I'm probably going to do some editing just to speed it up. That way you guys don't have to sit there and watch me actually cut through it for that long, however long it takes. But I do like this saw right here. The teeth are nice on it. It's folding. No problems there. So let's go over it and we'll check it out. So oh, let me flip. All right. It doesn't help if I keep hitting that. Alright, so progress-wise, not too bad. Normally, I would actually just try to break this. That way I don't have to keep sawing, but I'm going to saw through until either I get tired or if I keep hitting this, however. Oh, well, that thing sucks. Well, we are not doing this folding saw video then. Easy repairable. This will be taken out of my bugout bag and replaced by another folding saw that has better quality. So if you guys know of one, please comment below. Alright, and that's time right there. Even with it breaking, it's still cut through, pretty clean cut. And then just for a comparison, so it's about 3 inches or so. But that's that right there. I will be replacing this because this one is just not very well made. It has worked, no problem, but it's just getting old. So I'm going to replace it. So if you guys know any folding saws that are less than $30 or less, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.